Hi, this is the beginner's guide to starting an e-commerce business. Alright, it's a mini course embodied in a playlist to feature various steps to building a fully functioning e-commerce store. They are going to be in different episodes. So the first episode will be choosing our brand identity. In that series, I'll highlight choosing a business name and also brand ID, such as your logo, your cover image, the brand color, and more. Then the second episode is building your online presence. Alright, these episodes shows step-by-step tutorials on getting a domain name using a tool which I will explain in that episode to set up your store. Then the third episode, we're going to create social presence for our e-commerce business. Alright, and these episodes will show how to set up Facebook page for your business. It's something you may know, but just walk through the process. Alright, because there's going to be hidden things inside that I bet you really don't know about. Also moving on to the fourth episode, we'll be integrating analytics and setting up events. Alright, in that episode we'll walk through setting up Facebook pixel and adding it to the store, and also Google Pixel for analytics. Then the fifth episode, we defining our audience. This episode will use the Facebook audience insight and Google Trends to define potential audience for our e-commerce business or e-commerce store. Then the sixth episode will be testing our audience and learning their performances. In this episode, we will launch campaigns. I'll launch campaigns, and you're going to see the videos, alright, and the results. And these campaigns will define our audience. Alright, we'll just test out some contents into waters. Alright, and the seventh episode, we're going to get our first 100 fans. Alright, this episode will launch a page like ad, alright, on Facebook. We're going to launch it. It may not really be live, alright, but you get all the recordings, alright, and we'll get at least 100 page. Like, why 100? We're going to explain that when we do that video, alright. And then the eighth episode, we're going to be getting web traffic for our e-commerce store. In this episode, we'll create another campaign also, alright, to drive traffic to our e-commerce store and activate pixels, alright, for custom conversions. Alright, if you don't really know what this whole thing just means, just wait till the 8th episode of this series. Then the 9th episode, we optimize for conversion and we test for sales. Right, so once you go through these concepts, alright, once you go through this concept, you should have the full knowledge and experience for building an e-commerce business, be it you selling products that you make like cakes or selling services. Alright, it's just more like a web portal that will interact your business without you making the main transaction. So watch out for this series. Alright, like this video if you find the series you're eager to watch it, and subscribe. Alright, subscribe so you be in the know when I drop this whole playlist, like when I drop videos after videos, because it's going to take time, alright, because we're launching real campaigns, and then we'll see days changing, and so let's just see how it all goes. Alright, so engage with the content, subscribe to it, and until the videos, take care.